This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Dorr-Fagan. Amazing location from your back patio. Enjoy the views of Sable Rock Park. This stunning 4,877 square feet custom Caldera Springs home is the perfect home to spread out during large family gatherings or with friends. A 7-bedroom 7.5 bath open floor plan that offers luxurious amenities including a gourmet kitchen with double ovens and double dishwashers, a vaulted great room, 3 master bedrooms downstairs and 3 master bedrooms upstairs, large mudroom, hardwood floors and a large bonus room/bunk room over the 3-car garage. Step outside to enjoy an expansive year-round covered patio and can cozy up to the gas fireplace for relaxing. Sold furnished. Relax and enjoy all the amenities Caldera Springs offers. This home has a strong VRBO rental history.